A2 Media Theories, Postmodernism. What is postmodernism? This theory has a debatable definition, but there are identifiable elements of a postmodern context. Okay, so this is what they are. The ways to identify it is the decline of party politics and trade unions, insecurity and uncertainty, media-saturated society and instantaneous communication, the emphasis on difference rather than uniformity, and increasing emphasis on the importance of style and the visual. Again, we will look at these more in class, don't worry, but these are the ways of identifying if a text is modern or postmodern. Okay. There is also a sense of anything goes, that anything's available. Okay. Right. Why anything goes? I just want to make that clear that audiences can construct their own meanings from a range of cultural and media artifacts. There's no set meaning. Anything's up for a grab, so to speak. Lyotard, 1984, he suggested that metanarratives have been debunked. Metanarratives are overarching explanations of society, such as Marxism, capitalism, religion, science. They've all been debunked, proved to be not stable, true, or correct. So this has led to an instability in society. However, many have argued this idea is debatable because obviously we've got a lot of religion is actually very strong, science is very strong, certain movements are quite political parties, capitalism, for example. It's very debatable, but you could see it that way, and that's why there's this instability in society. In a media-saturated world, individuals can channel hop while listening to other media. So as a result, different media products are produced which merge and blend across boundaries of style, taste and genre. For example, the media productions are aware of the fact that people can get access to different things at different times very easily. The characteristics of a postmodern text include intertextuality, bricolage, the merging of genres, styles and media, an emphasis on image and style rather than narrative and meaning, drawing attention to the construction of the media texts, playful and ironic elements, the mixing of high and elite culture within popular culture, fragmentation, diversity of representations and viewpoints, pastiche, and parody. Find an example of a media text for each of the following, one for each: intertextuality, bricolage, pastiche, and parody. Explain how your text demonstrates the characteristics. That's your homework. Don't worry, we'll go through this more in class. Baldry art, 1983. He argued that we live in an era of hyperreality. The distinction between the real world and the media world is disappearing. Therefore, the media texts seem more real than the reality they convey. Media is a simulacrum. It makes no attempt to represent reality. It merely represents other representations that we've already seen, and we will look at this more in class.